We arrive with open eyes, suitcases full of silent fears, and hearts too young for all these years. From the hills of Suno AI to the Tagus rolling by, we found courage in the wind and a brand new world within. Through the narrow streets we walked, dreaming louder than we talked. Every step a spark, a sign. This was more than space and time. Oh, Lisbon, you changed our name. We are not the same again. From the ocean to the light, you turned our doubts to fire inside. We came as students, we leave as flame, with brighter minds and hearts untamed. Where the Atlantic meets the sky, you taught us how to rise. Whoa. Morning training, code and dreams, unity and bigger schemes. Languages we try to speak, stronger voices every week. Nazaré waves fearless and wild, Sintra's magic like a child. Cristo with arms so wide, told us go, the world is wide. Late night laughter, morning sun, lessons learned and battles won. Every rule, each test we faced, built the future we'll embrace. Oh, Lisbon, you changed our name. We are not the same again. From the ocean to the light, you turned our doubts to fire inside. We came as students, we leave as flame, with brighter minds and hearts untamed. Where the Atlantic meets the sky, you taught us how to rise. There's a word you gave to us, saudade in our chest, a sweet goodbye, a promise made. This journey was a test, and when we hear the ocean sound in cities far away, Lisbon will still whisper low, be brave, create, don't stay. Oh, Lisbon, we carry your light in every dream, in every fight. From castle stones to carnival skies, you opened up our eyes. We came as students, we leave as flames. Erasmus wrote our name, and when the ocean calls again, we'll rise, we'll rise, we'll rise. Under Lisbon's golden sky, we learn to dream, we